What's up, everybody in YouTube land? If you've come across this video, it's probably because you've run some keywords into YouTube, like Arduino or timer or extension cord or switch, on-off switch, and maybe wondering what this is. Well, let me tell you what it is. This is basically a glorified extension cord, not really a surge protector, but more of like just an extension cord. Basically, I bought these three female outlets here, and I spliced them into this box here. And so now I have a glorified extension cord that has 6 outputs with the AC adapter, you know, with a wide blade and a small blade. So that AC and DC can be hooked up into it. The reason why I made this box, and I'll turn it on and show you here. Okay, turn it off. So every 10 seconds it'll flash and beep. The reason why I made this was because my tools that I always use, such as my soldering iron and my glue gun, they don't have switches on them. When you buy them, it's just you plug them in and you go. Multiple times I found myself actually plugging in either one of the soldering irons or the glue gun, which I use quite frequently, quite often. And yes, I do plug them in and unplug them, but there have been occasions where I have actually forgotten to unplug them. Now luckily, you know, the soldering iron is in a cradle here, but I'd leave for several hours and come back and smell this horrible burning metal smell, or like flux smell, throughout my apartment, and turns out that I've actually left this thing on or plugged in. So the reason why I made this was that now that I will always be plugging into this adapter here that has an on-off switch. So every time I plug this in, it will buzz me every 10 seconds and light up to let me know that it's plugged into this, so that I will, once I'm done, I will be prompted to turn this off. Okay, so whenever I leave the house, my soldering iron or my glue gun will always be turned off, you know. And I made it 10 seconds because it's long enough to not being annoying per space, and short enough for me to get the job done quicker, because this, you know, buzzing every 10 seconds will like make me, with these horrible colored lights, will make me do the job quicker, because I know that this is plugged in, reminding me, hey, turn this off once I'm done. So there you have it, a glorified kind of extension cord reminder box, flashy thingy, whatever you want to call it, that I made for myself, just kind of like a one-day build. And so now that I have 6 plugins here, I will always be able to be reminded to turn it off. And so if you've enjoyed this video, you don't have to really subscribe it, maybe like it. But anyway, yeah, I used an Arduino and a piezo buzzer inside. That's what's making the buzzing sound, and obviously LED lights. And is pretty, I wouldn't say quick, but it was a simple build. I had a lot of fun doing. And so yeah, there you have it. Thanks for watching.